Node Video Editor and VN Editor are popular mobile video editing apps. The core difference lies in their approach. Node Video Editor delivers powerful professional-grade tools, whereas VN Editor prioritizes simplicity and speed for casual and beginner users. Node Video Editor is a feature-rich mobile app designed for users seeking advanced video editing capabilities on the go. It offers a non-linear timeline, multiple video and audio tracks, and a wide range of effects, transitions, and keyframe animations. The app supports high-resolution exports and fine-tuned control over color grading, speed adjustments, and audio mixing. Its interface, while comprehensive, requires some learning, making it ideal for creators comfortable with detailed editing workflows. Node Video Editor excels in delivering professional results without needing a desktop, but this complexity can be overwhelming for beginners or those wanting quick edits. It works well for content creators, social media managers, and videographers who want flexibility and precision in their mobile edits. VN Editor focuses on ease of use and fast editing, making it a favorite among casual users and beginners. It features a clean, intuitive interface with drag and drop functionality, pre-made templates, and straightforward trimming and splitting tools. VN Editor supports multi-track editing and basic effects like filters, transitions, and text overlays, but with less depth than Node Video Editor. Export options include popular resolutions and formats suitable for social sharing. Its simplicity allows users to create polished videos quickly without a steep learning curve. While it lacks some advanced features and fine control, VN Editor is perfect for vloggers, students, and anyone who wants to produce quality videos efficiently on mobile devices. Node Video Editor and VN Editor serve distinct user needs. Node Video Editor is powerful for detailed edits, offering extensive control over effects, keyframes, and multi-track timelines. This suits professionals or serious hobbyists who want to craft complex videos on mobile. However, it demands time to learn and can feel overwhelming. VN Editor trades depth for speed and simplicity, ideal for quick projects and users new to video editing. It streamlines the process with templates and easy controls, but lacks advanced customization. Choosing between them depends on your priorities. Choose Node Video Editor for precision and creativity, or VN Editor for straightforward, fast editing without a steep learning curve. Node Video Editor is recommended for users who need professional level tools and are ready to invest time mastering a powerful mobile editing platform. VN Editor is the best choice for those seeking a user-friendly, efficient app to produce quality videos quickly. Whether you're a beginner or need fast edits, VN Editor delivers a smooth experience without sacrificing essential features. Choose the app that fits your editing style and goals.